Ever wondered what legal documents most people actually need in their lives? It's not always the dramatic courtroom stuff, but often the foundational paperwork that protects our families, businesses, and personal interests. When you think about managing your legal affairs, the idea of complex forms and expensive lawyers can be daunting. But what if you could access a vast library of legal documents, customized to your needs, all from the comfort of your home or office? That's where platforms like Rocket Lawyer come in, democratizing access to legal resources for millions. For over a decade, Rocket Lawyer has been a go-to for individuals and small businesses navigating the sometimes confusing world of legal documentation. They aim to make the law accessible, simple, and affordable, a mission that resonates with over 30 million users globally. So, what exactly are these common legal needs that drive so many to their platform? Let's dive into the most popular legal forms on Rocket Lawyer, exploring why they're so essential and how they empower you to take control of your legal future. Business and contracts, the backbone of commerce handshake. It's no surprise that a significant portion of Rocket Lawyer's most popular forms revolve around business and contracts. In today's dynamic economic landscape, entrepreneurs and small business owners constantly need robust legal frameworks to operate smoothly and protect their interests. Non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. First up, we have the ubiquitous non-disclosure agreement, NDA. In a world driven by innovation and competition, protecting sensitive information is paramount. Whether you're a startup pitching a revolutionary idea, a freelancer working with confidential client data, or a business discussing a potential merger, an NDA ensures that proprietary information, trade secrets, and other confidential details remain private. These agreements legally bind parties to not disclose or misuse shared information, providing a crucial layer of security and trust. They're essential for fostering collaborations while safeguarding intellectual property. Imagine sharing your brilliant new app idea with a potential investor. Without an NDA, that idea could be easily copied. Rocket Lawyer makes it simple to create NDAs tailored to specific situations, outlining exactly what information is confidential and the consequences of a breach. Business contracts. Beyond NDAs, general business contracts are a foundational element for any enterprise. These are the agreements that define the terms and conditions of business relationships. This could be a contract with a supplier, a sales agreement with a customer, or a partnership agreement with a co-founder. A well-drafted business contract clarifies expectations, allocates responsibilities, and outlines remedies in case of disputes. They provide legal certainty, minimize misunderstandings, and can save countless hours and resources by preventing costly litigation down the line. Rocket Lawyer offers a variety of customizable business contract templates, allowing users to adapt them to their unique operational needs, ensuring that every agreement is clear, comprehensive, and legally sound. Independent contractor agreements. With the rise of the gig economy and remote work, independent contractor agreements have become incredibly popular. Businesses often engage independent contractors for specialized tasks or project-based work, rather than hiring full-time employees. This type of agreement clearly distinguishes the contractor from an employee, outlining the scope of work, payment terms, intellectual property rights, and the independent nature of the relationship. This distinction is vital for tax purposes, legal liabilities, and avoiding misclassification issues that can lead to significant penalties. For both businesses hiring contractors and individuals working as contractors, these agreements provide clarity and protection, ensuring that both parties understand their rights and obligations. LLC operating agreements. For those establishing a limited liability company, LLC, the LLC operating agreement is a critical document. While not always legally mandated in every state to form an LLC, it's highly recommended. This internal document defines the ownership structure, roles, responsibilities, and operating procedures of the LLC. It details how profits and losses are distributed, how decisions are made, and what happens if a member leaves or the business dissolves. Without a solid operating agreement, your LLC might be subject to default state rules, which may not align with your specific business goals or the intentions of the members. Rocket Lawyer helps users create comprehensive operating agreements that reflect the unique dynamics of their LLC, providing a clear roadmap for its governance and future. Real estate. Securing your property interests house with garden. Real estate transactions, whether personal or business, involve substantial investments and significant legal implications. Rocket Lawyer's robust suite of real estate forms helps individuals and businesses navigate these complexities with confidence. Lease agreements. Unsurprisingly, lease agreements are among the most frequently accessed forms. Whether you're a landlord renting out a property or a tenant seeking a place to live, a legally sound lease agreement is indispensable. This document outlines the terms of the tenancy, including rent amount, payment due dates, lease duration, responsibilities for repairs and maintenance, pet policies, and rules regarding property use. A clear lease agreement protects both landlords and tenants by setting expectations, defining rights, and providing a framework for dispute resolution. Rocket Lawyer offers customizable lease agreements that can be adapted to various property types and state-specific regulations, minimizing potential conflicts and ensuring a smooth tenancy. Eviction notices. On the flip side of lease agreements, eviction notices are unfortunately a necessary part of the legal landscape for landlords. While no landlord wants to initiate eviction proceedings, there are times when it becomes unavoidable due to lease violations, non-payment of rent, or other issues. An eviction notice is the formal legal document that informs a tenant of the landlord's intent to terminate the tenancy and the reasons for it. It's a critical first step in the eviction process and must comply with specific state and local laws regarding content, delivery, and notice periods. Rocket Lawyer provides templates for various types of eviction notices, helping landlords ensure they follow proper legal procedures to protect their rights and avoid costly legal missteps. Intent to purchase real estate. For those looking to buy property, an intent to purchase real estate document, often in the form of a letter of intent, LOI, or offer to purchase, is a popular initial step. This non-binding document expresses a buyer's serious interest in a property and outlines the proposed terms of a potential purchase, such as the purchase price, contingencies, like inspections or financing, and a proposed closing date. While not a final contract, it serves as a basis for negotiation between the buyer and seller, signaling a genuine interest and setting the stage for a formal purchase agreement. Using such a document helps streamline the initial negotiation phase and ensures both parties are on the same page regarding key terms before committing to a binding agreement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.